Hey everybody, this is Bethany and I am reviewing Hippih, and this is a alarm clock, a twin bell alarm clock. As you can see, it has a little picture here in the front and it has the 2 bell alarms. I'm going to try to see if I can get this to go off. I just want to set it right. It stands up though, it has a little handle on the back. You have you even have a little light as well. You have your setting for the time and setting for the alarm, and then your on off, and it runs on 1 AA battery, not included. Just trying to get it to go off. Maybe it, so you can hear the alarm go off. I had it going off earlier, but I wasn't filming then, of course. There you go. So, nice little alarm clock. And the little stands here to hold it up. It's really cute. Vintage looking. You can check out the full review and more information in the comments.